What we're looking at here is the GCRAFT Dantsuki seat for the Honda Monkey 125. I sourced this seat from Thailand from the website WeBike. I did a lot of research on Honda Monkey seats. I was going for a scrambler look. I wanted to change the look of the bike a little bit, make it a little bit more sleeker, maybe show off those cool tubes that are on the underside of the seat, maybe get rid of that chunky monkey seat there that comes from the factory, and most of all, find something that had a little bit of a contour that would allow me to carry passengers better, because after installing rear passenger foot pegs so my 7-year-old could ride with me, I was figuring maybe it's time to get a seat that has a little bit of a bump in the back that can hold a passenger a little bit higher. So this seat fit my criteria well, so I went ahead and ordered it in. And here it is out of the package. A really nice looking seat. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mount it up on the bike, and I'm going to tell you what I think. So the quality of the seat's really, really nice. The camera wasn't focusing too good on it, but it's not a smooth or slick leather. It's more of a textured vinyl. Everything is well done on it though. The mounts look really good. The fabric, the vinyl fabric is tight. Everything's as it should be. And I was quite impressed with the quality of it, especially with the hardware they use too. Stainless steel hex bolts. It was a nice touch. So I have the Chug Box Honda Monkey seat latches, quick release seat latches there. Check out my older videos to find info on those. So on the underside of the new seat, it does not come with OEM rubber standoffs. It's meant to use the original standoffs. Mine were kind of torn up, so I didn't want to rip them off and break them to get them on this seat. So I just used something I had laying around. After I mounted the seat back up, the lack of the OEM rubber standoffs tended to be a problem for this seat, because without the height that they needed, the seat had a lot of play in the rear and it jiggled around quite a bit. So if you get this seat, just make sure that you have the OEM rubber standoffs from your original seat to put back on this one. So here comes the bad news. As beautiful as this seat is, as nice as it highlights the undercarriage bars, and as close as it is to the gas tank, filling in that ugly gap that the OEM seat provides, the way that the seat is contoured puts me way too close to the gas tank. My crotch is basically sitting on that gas tank, and it's super uncomfortable for a 6'1" person. So I ended up going back to the OEM seat, unfortunately. But it's a really good looking seat, just got to be the right height for it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, let me know what you think, and if you really liked it, throw me a subscribe down there. Thanks again.